Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Today we will discuss quicksort. This sorting algorithm is the idea of divide and conquer. If the element called pivot, which divides the array into the two halves in such a way that elements in the left half are smaller than pivot element and right half is greater than pivot element. So basically हम यहाँ पर डिवाइड एंड कॉन्कर के थ्रू इस प्रॉब्लम को रिजॉल्व करते हैं या सॉर्ट करते हैं इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर पर, सो दैट पाइवोट एलिमेंट से जो लेफ्ट साइड में जो एरे होगा वहाँ पर लेस देन एलिमेंट्स होंगे, जो राइट हैंड साइड पे एरे होगा वो वहाँ पर ग्रेटर देन एलिमेंट्स होंगे. 3 steps pivot find the divide the array into the two halves. First one, the quick sort the left half, and the quick sort the right half. Consider an array having 6 elements 5, 2, 6, 1, 3, 4. The arrangement of elements in ascending order using quicksort algorithm. So let's see. This is the array index 0 to 5 because we have 6 elements, and these elements are unsorted array element. This is the left hand and right side of the array. Initially point at the first element of the array or initially point the last element of the array. This is the pivot point. 5 is the pivot point initially pointing to the first element is called pivot. We will sort the array using quick sort. So here we can see this is the left end, this is the right end, this is the pivot point. Remember the rule, if all the element right of the pivot is greater than pivot, तो यहाँ पर जो भी एलिमेंट पाइवोट से राइट हैंड साइड पे होंगे वो ग्रेटर होंगे और जो लेफ्ट में होंगे वो लेस देन होंगे. सो वी विल कंपेयर द इंडेक्स ऑफ 0 टू इंडेक्स ऑफ 5. So we will start from right and move to the left. Pivot point is 5 here, pivot point is 5 and here right is 4. So we will compare. If pivot is less than equals to right, 5 is less than equals to 4. So this condition is not satisfied. This condition is wrong. This is no. So we will swap the elements index 0 to index 5. So we will swap the pivot and right. So here 5 replaced with the 4. So new pivot is here 4 and right is 5. So again 5 here pivot moves to right end. After that we will now pointing pivot point to the right and 4 pointing to the left. So we will start from left. Here move from towards to right. Is pivot is greater than left? This pivot is greater than left? Yes, this is greater than left. So we will move the left in one index towards the right. So left pointing to the array index of 1, and we will compare. Pivot is greater than left means pivot is 5, left is 2. So this condition is satisfied, yes. So we will move one index towards right. Again we will compare. Is pivot is greater than left, but pivot here is 5 and left is 6. So this condition is not satisfied, no. So we will swap the element 5 to 6. So here move swap the element 5 to 6. So now pivot pointing to the element 5 into the next array. Here you can see 5 is the pivot point and 6 pointing to the right. So we will compare now. At the left pivot is 5, and so we will start from right. Here right pointing to the 6. Now move towards the left. Here pivot is less than equals to right. This condition is satisfied, so we will move 6 to 5. So we will move towards the left from right. So right pointing to the index of 4 means value 3. After that we will compare. Pivot point is less than equals to 3. This condition is not satisfied. No. So we will swap the elements 5 to 3. So here pivot pointing to the new element 5. Again we will check 5 is greater than 3. Yes, this is greater than 5. So we will move left towards to the right. So we compare. 5 is greater than 1. Yes. So we will move left towards right. So now both left and right are pointing to the same element of the array, which is 5 at array index of 4. So this time 5 is the pivot and it is at the sorted position. यहाँ पर जब लेफ्ट और राइट एक सेम पोजीशन को पॉइंट करेंगे, सो वो नंबर आपका एक सॉर्टेड पोजीशन पे होगा. नेक्स्ट, एलिमेंट लेफ्ट ऑफ pivot are smaller. We can see less than 5 each of the element in the array, and in right array is greater than pivot element. So pivot has divided array into the two subarrays, left array and left subarray and right subarray. Left subarray, this is the left subarray and this is the right subarray. We will now quick sort to the left subarray. Again we can divide and conquer. So divide the two left and right subparts. So here this is the left sub array. So now 0 index pointing to the left and index 3 is pointing to the right, and index 0 which is pointing to the pivot element. Again we compare. Each pivot is less than left. 4 is less than 1. No, this is not satisfied. So we will swap the element 4, swap to the index of 1. So here 1 moves to the index of 0 and 4 moves to index of 3. So now we can move one by one left to right of the element, and we will get the sorted array. So this is the final sorted array using quick sort.